How to create a new user account on Windows 10. Step 1. Go to Start. Step 2. Select Settings. Step 3. Select Accounts. Step 4. Select Family and Other Users. Step 5. Select Add someone else to this PC. Step 6. Select I don't have this person's sign-in information. Step 7. Select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Step 8. Enter the new username and password. Step 9. After entering the new username and password, scroll down. Step 10. Enter the security questions to help reset the password if forgotten. Step 11. After filling them out, select Next. Step 12. That's it. You successfully created a new user account on Windows 10. To be able to sign into the new account on Windows 10, go to Start. Select the user account icon. Select the new account. Enter the password to sign into the new account. Press Enter. That's it. You successfully created a new user account on Windows 10. People watch the video and it looks good. Please remember to give me a like, a share, a channel subscription. Thank you very much. Hi and see you.